Hey everyone! If your New Year's party isn't this awesome, you're missing out. Get ready to celebrate with us. 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! We're sending you happy cheers all the way from the first fireworks in Auckland to the amazing show in Sydney's harbour. Did you know New Zealand is one of the first places in the world to celebrate the New Year? Let's make 2025 the best year ever. Think about your New Year's goals, have fun right now, and get ready for a fresh start. Here's to a fantastic year ahead. Happy New Year, everyone!